Hi there, and welcome. In Bïrch, you can create automated rules for Meta, Google, Snapchat, and TikTok to boost performance and cut down on manual work. In this video, I'll show you how to create a rule for Meta ads from scratch. Keep in mind that the process is very similar across all platforms. So whether you're working with Meta, Google, TikTok, or Snapchat, this guide will be useful for building any kind of rule. So first, click the Create Rule button to get started. You will see two options: build your rule from scratch or start with one of our ready-made templates. Templates are perfect if you want to get started quickly. You can filter them by the level, campaigns, ad sets, or ads, or the goal, like pausing underperformers or scaling winners. But for this video, we'll create one from scratch so you can explore all the options. Let's name our rule Increase Budget if Performance is Strong, and add a quick description. This helps you stay organized when managing multiple rules. Next, select the ad account or accounts you want this rule to apply to. You can choose up to 5 Meta ad accounts at once, but if you need to apply it to more, just duplicate the rule afterwards and apply it to other accounts. Now, let's define what the rule applies to: campaigns, ad sets, or ads. In our case, we'll go with ad sets. Then click the plus button to add filters. You can filter by item properties like name, status, objective, or delivery, and even metrics like spend, impressions, and so on. Let's say we want this rule to apply only to active ad sets that are currently delivering. We'll use a filter Ad set delivery is active. At the bottom, you'll see how many items match these filters in real time. Now we set the action and conditions. We want this rule to increase daily budget by 20%, but only if the ad set is truly performing. You can choose to increase the budget by a percentage, like we are doing here, a fixed value, or even based on a custom metric, for example, based on a value in the Google Sheet. To keep things under control, you can also set a maximum budget cap, so the budget never goes beyond what you're comfortable with. Now, let's define the conditions that need to be true for this increase to happen. We will use two performance metrics. Website purchase ROAS is greater than 3 based on the last 3 days, including today, and cost per purchase is less than $30 in the same time frame. This combination helps ensure that we're scaling only the ad sets that are both profitable and cost-efficient. Click Preview to check everything before moving on. Now, let's set how often the rule should run. You can choose from every 15 minutes to every 72 hours. If you want more control, turn on Run on Specific Days and Times option. You will see a schedule chart where you can choose exact days and times, even in 15-minute intervals. Under Show More options, you can set specific start and end dates. Next, in Notification section, you choose how you want to be notified, via email, Slack, or both, or choose to be notified about errors only. Then here, you select the time zone for the rule checks. By default, it uses your ad account's time zone. Finally, click Show Attribution window if you want to customize this setting. This setting defines how conversions are tracked for this rule. We recommend keeping this on, but you can customize it if you need different attribution logic for your ROAS calculation. Once everything's set, you can either save your rule as a draft or set it live. And that's it. You've just created a performance-based budget automation rule for Meta ads using Bïrch. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.